This is my 2009 Ford E350 Wag'nTails, delivered to its original owner in 2010. There's a little minor damage to the step. I am 200 pounds and I can still use it, so. It has storage. These are some lights that came with it. Some storage things that I'll be keeping with the van. So it has storage. It's got all your standard Wag'nTails things. So let me go ahead and start the generator up. It was replaced in 2020. It has started up for me every time. It just takes a little bit of a second. There we go. It has a brand new propane tank as of a couple weeks ago. And I did drain it because it's been sitting for a week or so. The super suds are, I've never personally used it to wash the dog. Oh, it's got an anode rod as well. But I have used it to, let's turn the lights on. So I have used it to winterize it. It's got the optional winterization. It's got a vent here, which, let's go ahead and open it. Oops, open it first. This is the standard vent. In or out. This is really great when you're blow drying, obviously. We'll let that stop before we close it down. It's got the extra one right here. This is really nice for if you want to finish blow drying on the table. It takes a lot of air out. In, out. This van was being groomed in when I purchased it. I have groomed in it. I have decided to go a different way. I need health insurance, that's why. It's got probably 5 good years plus, so it's a great starter van. The air conditioning, it's been cold here, so I haven't used it, but I did. So it's got a fan. And cooling. A table. It's got the bridge for large dogs. It's got, this is a 2-speed K9. We have got the furnace. The furnace works. The thermostat connection can be a little janky. That probably needs to be redone, but the furnace works. And when it's on the fritz, I just plug a heater in back here. We've got the little light on the back, vacuum cleaner. And then we've got, of course, your towel storage. Your extra storage down there. Tools. This one did come with the upgraded extras. This was like the fancy version in 2010. So we've got hookup to put a TV. Those are spare light bulbs. And we've got trash can. More storage here. And then, of course, there's my little friend. So if we actually go up here, let me grab the keys. Oh, all the original warranties that comes with the van, original bill of sale. So let's start her up. It just passed an emissions test last week. So as you can see, the lights on the dash are, the share works, the CD player works. There's an aux cord. So 120,000 miles on it. And that's the anti-lock brake, the low tire pressure because it's been sitting for like a week, and obviously because I don't have my seat belt on, that would be why that's going. Okay. So yep, standard cab with the door. If we come out here, like I said, there is some damage here, but I'm 200 pounds and I haven't had a problem with it. Also some slight damage here that came with it. Oh, one more thing. These windows open for more fresh air. So you can maybe not use your AC if you don't really need to. Open on this side as well. And if you've got a cordless, then you've decided you don't want to turn on your generator, plenty of light if you haven't had them blocked. And these are going to stay. These are just battery powered lights, which have been helpful at night after I'm done grooming to clean up that last little thing without the generator, which 2,600 hours. It was replaced in 2020 by a factory authorized Cummins Onan, and I have that paperwork as well. And there is that goes up here, obviously. I haven't been able to get that off, but it doesn't cause a problem. Hasn't caused a problem. Like kind of your standard 15-year-old starter van. Okay. Now that's the porch light. Fresh water connection. This is the water heater. If we go back here, let's see, Wag'nTails. It comes with the vacuum. This is a shampooing system that doesn't work anymore, but it'll come with the van. And this I can replace. It's just a Dollar Tree. This is your towel chute. There's the canine. And then you can go look back here. They left it a little messed up when they replaced the propane tank because that was a little bit corroded. So you can winterize, dewinterize. There's access to the pump system. And again, this van was being groomed in when I purchased it, and I got right to grooming in it. You can groom right in it the day you buy it. I just need health insurance. So I'm doing some house calls, and then I'm working somewhere where I can get that generator. It has got the AC shore, and it's the main shore. You can plug it in. You will have to plug it in every night if you live somewhere cold. I will go turn the generator off. And I don't want to open that with the generator running, but there is the van. Let me know if you have any more questions. Oh, and one last thing. If you can't reach the dog, move the dog. There we go. And oops. And the towel chute. So, oh, and I'm 5'10", and I have a lot of height in here. This is actually less cramped than some of the shops that I worked in, so.